I designed these Halloween tees in minutes, and I'm going to show you how you can research, find some really cool ideas, and design your own. Guys, it's that time of the year again. The summer's gone, unfortunately. The weather's getting colder, unfortunately. The leaves are changing, and there's pumpkin spice everywhere. That means it's fall and Halloween is upon us. This is T-Shirt Help Desk. I'm Gary, and I'm going to show you guys how to make some Halloween t-shirts. Let's get it.
T-Shirt Help Desk.
Fun fact, did you know that behind Christmas, Halloween is the most profitable holiday? People go crazy on Halloween and they spend money. And I'm going to teach you guys how to get you a cut of that and make some Halloween t-shirts. So without any further ado, let's do a little research. Guys, you just don't want to go willy-nilly and just start making shirts. You want to see what's going out here in these t-shirt streets. So I'm going to go right here and I'm going to type in Halloween t-shirts just to see what's out here. Okay. Let me put on my glasses, my sexy specs. And let's take a look. You can see 'tis the season, just like Christmas, 'tis the season, but to be spooky instead of jolly. Spooky right here. Long live Halloween. You got skeletons, you got pumpkins, you got all of the famous, you see a lot, all of the famous, killers from the movies, Jason, Michael Myers, Freddy Krueger, all that stuff in a car. Same thing over here. Stay spooky. This is some boo sheet. Guys, people go crazy. Happy Halloween for beer. So guys, you can see people go crazy for Halloween. This is a jack-o'-lantern tee. So let's go over to Amazon, right? Let's go over to Amazon and let's put in Halloween. You see all this Halloween decorations, but Halloween t-shirts. And more of the same. Oh, this is like Pac-Man. Oh, that's awesome. You got the pumpkin eating the ghost. Here, another jack-o'-lantern shirt. I'm fine, skeleton shirt. Here's the deal when it comes to this stuff. A lot of people go to Halloween parties, and as opposed to buying a costume, they will just wear a t-shirt. Okay, so this is it. So let me show you something else. We're gonna go over here. This is Merch Informer. Now this is a behind the scenes service that shows you like what's going on out here and what's selling. So we're gonna go right here to Merch Hunter, product research, Merch Hunter. And this shows us like the top stuff. I already got Halloween queued in. This shows us the top stuff. Let's hit search. I'm selling on Amazon. This is some boo sheet is like number one. I said sheet. This is like baseball, so the World Series is coming. So we have this right here. Just plain old boo. Due to inflation, this is my Halloween costume. I told you guys people wear these as costumes. I'm with the Minion. This is like a couple's shirt. Here's a cool one right here. Let's click on it. This is when you click, it takes you right to Amazon. This is all of the famous killers. Again, you're going to see that a lot. Got Jason, Pinhead, Leatherface, Ghostface, Pennywise, all of the scary people from the movies on one t-shirt as kids. Okay, so without any further ado, before we actually start to design some stuff, I wanted to give you some background on what's going on out here in these t-shirt streets. So we're gonna make some t-shirts now, and you know where we're gonna go, right? You know where we're gonna go. Kittl, you betcha. So we're gonna go to Kittl, and we're gonna go to Halloween, okay? And look at all of these t-shirts, right? But here's a great thing. These are already done for you, but you don't want to use them as is. You want to take some of that information that we know, right? and you want to come up with some original stuff, right? And you know, as opposed to wrecking your brain thinking, oh, they have a service that can really help you. Guys, use AI to your advantage. Let's go over to ChatGPT.
Guys, for right now, AI is your best friend until the robots take over. Anyway, so let's go over to ChatGPT and start typing. Hey chat, I'm doing some t-shirts for Halloween. I need some short, funny sayings for t-shirt ideas. Can I get some suggestions? Double entendres are always welcome. Go. And let's see, look at these. These are awesome. What does it say? Feeling beautiful. Creep it real. Which better have my candy? Ghouls just want to have fun. If you got it, flaunt it. Resting witch face. Don't make me flip my switch. Here for the booze. Too cute to spook. Fantastic vibes only. Trick or tequila. Wicked good time. I was feeling that. Now let's turn them into teas.
And we're back. So what I did was I have a few of these that I like and I saved. I put them some bookmarks on them, and we're going to go right here. And you're going to see that we have some really cool ones. So let's go back over to ChatGPT and let's see what we're going to do. You know what? Creep It Real is a cool one. Let's go back. And this one right here is perfect. So let's click on that one. Let's use this design. And with Kittl, in a matter of minutes, you just click on this where it says treat. We're going to write creep. In the middle where we have that or we're going to write it. And down here, we're going to write real. And look at that, guys. I'm just going to move that down. In literally less than a minute, we have a t-shirt done. Let's do another one. Oh, I really love that. Ghouls just want to have fun. Oh, let's see if we can do that one.
So let's go back and let's click on this one with the zombie and let's use it. And this is so simple. We're simply going to take the font that's already there. We're going to change it to what we want. So you click on it and then you type your words in. You're going to get rid of that that's already there. And I'm going to copy, go to text, add the text, write fun, and then put it in that creepy font. But I really don't like it on the bottom. I want to add it up there to the top, keep it all on that like tombstone thing. So I'm going to make the one I have smaller. And then I'm going to pull the fun up and pull it right on that corner. So I'm going to change and play with that one I have. I'm going to take that fun and put it right in that corner. And boom.
Ghouls just want to have fun. Let's do another one. I got a few ideas of my own that I thought of, so let's do these. I think I have some witches saved. So this one right here. Whatever, witch. Please. Like the Snoop Dogg song. Hold on, let me just get rid of that. Or we got witch please. Let's go back. This one right here. Let's use this one. Witch don't kill my pride. Love it. Let's see if we can do a couple more. Resting witch face. See if we can find a nice witch. I do this one or we're just gonna make this a little bit smaller, and we're gonna change that font to that same Creepster font. We like that. And transformation. And down here, we're just gonna write face. I mean, let's see those. Hold on, let's ungroup those. Right there. Space. And let's make that creepy font. Delete. Delete. And just like that, guys, you can make you some t-shirts and get you some money this Halloween season, which is coming up shortly. Here they are right here. You can go into Kittl, go crazy, okay? Have a great time this holiday season. There's going to be a link for Kittl down in the description box and a full Kittl tutorial right here. I fooled around with y'all long enough. I'm gonna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. Happy Halloween, and until next time, God bless. Peace.
T-shirt help desk.